Hello everybody, it's the Big Monkey, and me and my friend are going to be doing some GMOD racing battles. So we've got 3 stages that we're going to, or like rounds, that we're going to do. So the first round is no pre-made things and no
No.
thrusters. Round 2 is going to be no pre-made things, but you can have thrusters along with everything else that was already allowed. And then round 3 is literally anything besides like planes and stuff like that.
Yeah, because planes are bad. Planes evil. For this is a drag race.
Indeed.
Ah,
So we're gonna be building in these garages.
alrighty. And
So yeah, I'm just gonna close my door.
do I need? If I remember correctly, I need the chair.
The
Chair is important.
chairs are very important.
Yes. All right.
I actually
Chair,
don't
you're mine. We will make a good car together.
Good car.
Good car. Maybe bad car, but it will be a car nonetheless. Or maybe not. Who knows? Let's see. Wheel. Oh. Alrighty. Let's see.
Seems. Actually, no, I don't want that one.
Okay, plastic. How about steel? No. No.
Ow.
There are roller coaster parts?
I
I
think
know.
there is.
Could I build? Could I build a car out of roller coaster parts?
I mean, it might be hard to do, but I
Oh,
don't know.
this looks fun. Alrighty. I'm not gonna go with the wheel just yet. Alrighty.
These aren't
Where
connected.
coaster car go?
We're just gonna go with that.
This is gonna look nice, actually. Wheel. 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 Alright,
Toyota
wait. What do I have these key binded to? Right. 8, 5.
What do I? Oh.
Why do I have? Okay. Well, let's see. How will this
Big
do?
fast.
Nope, that's the gravity gun. I need a physics gun. And I bet I need to attach this chair. Nope, turn off that flashlight. Alrighty. Weld tool. Mamma mia.
My car.
Alright.
My car do be looking a bit different.
Okay. Let's see.
Is it just naturally going
Get in its
forward?
E. I think I may have done something wrong because it's not moving, and I don't know why.
Try screwing with the wheel things or whatever.
Oh wait, numpad? Oh wait. Let's see. Undo. Undo. Oh wait, did that undo this weld? Wait, what just happened? Yeah, undo that. There we go.
Okay, so it kind of works. But it
Alright.
needs more wheels.
Alright, let's see. Dear God. He's gone mad.
It needs more wheels.
You can only have so many wheels, good sir.
That's not true.
Wheel. Wait. Why didn't I put the torque up to 10,000? Wait. One moment. Wait. Okay, maybe I accidentally removed the prop that I needed.
More
Okay.
wheels, the more power.
Let's see. Yeah, this is the thing. Alright, cool. Put that there. Okay. Back to the physics gun. Lift that back up. Freeze that midair. I gotta add wheel. Wheel time. Oh yes,
This
wheel.
thing.
Wheel. 2, 3. Alright. This is kind of more be like a minecart-ish. Wheel, wheel, wheel.
Oh, it's so fast. But,
Oh wait,
no
maybe I want
traction.
to. Maybe I want to change the keybind to something else. Oh god damn it! I removed the pop again. Okay.
What happens?
Okay. Let's try this again. That. Two. There we go. Alrighty. Wheel. 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 Wheel.
Ah. I just figured out something.
What?
Friction. I'm pretty sure the people who made Gary's mod,
Yeah.
pretty sure they meant traction.
Who
Not
knows?
sure though.
Yeah, weld tool. Alright. Stick that on there. Do I just this? There we go. Alright, let's.
Mine is not only going to be fast, it's going to be stylish.
Alrighty. Uh-oh. I don't know if I do. Okay.
Yeah, that
Um,
sounds good.
I think this is going to go really fast, maybe? I don't know. Let's see.
I was testing mine in the garage. I can see it most definitely does not go fast.
Oh wait, these are going the wrong way. Oopsies. Get out of the car. One of these is going the wrong direction, and I don't remember how to fix that, so...
No, you press E on it.
Oh. There we go. Oh. That.
Oops.
And E. 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 There we go. E. Oh.
I think I'm almost done. Somehow.
Okay. Just,
What is
I need to re-add a wheel.
do?
Wait, what?
Oops. It's just.
Let me just take a look at what you're doing over there.
No, it was supposed to be.
Wait, how?
Grander view.
How did you get the how did you get that shutter to go down? Oh, you just grab it and pull it down. How does this shutter work?
Oh yeah, there's a switch on the inside that you just press E on.
Oh, okay, that's cool. The more you know. Alrighty, let's pull that over here, lift that up, grab the chair again, because I accidentally unwelded it. I should weld this multiple times now. Alrighty. That. Wait. Maybe I should put this at, like, the very front. And maybe, like... There. Weld.
This one's acting a bit.
Weld it. There we go. I've added the welds. And now last thing I need to do, fix that one wheel I accidentally removed.
Okay, I think I think I'm almost done.
I think I'm also almost done. Let me just make sure. Pretty sure that's the right way it needs to go. Alrighty.
Next time I do this, I
Test
should
it
probably set
out.
like a time limit. Make it more stressful, I think. I mean, this probably wouldn't be stressful anyways, but.
Right, why is it just... Alright. How do I turn?
The thing is, that's why I chose something that was straight, because you don't turn. Also, for some reason, my car just goes forward naturally. I didn't make it that way on
How?
purpose.
Okay, one moment. Let me just,
Yeah, I'm ready to.
I'm almost done. Just gotta remove some of these wheels and then fix the... Oh, oopsies. Uh-oh. Let's see.
This thing looks so
Basic.
ridiculous.
Let's see. Alright, gotta... Oops. Let's see. I should be done in a little bit.
Well, now's that time of the video where I must promote. Everybody, if you enjoy this content, make sure to like and subscribe. It really motivates me to make more videos like these, and I appreciate your support.
Maybe a tiny wheel. Wait, no, that's too small. Okay. Bigger. No. Bigger. Big. Yes! Big. Lol. Yes. Now it is off the ground, and I must weld it together. Because I accidentally... No, God, no, I did it again! Let's see. That, this. Yes. Grab. Lift. Slap that on here. Grab my weld tool. Reel.
There we go. And we'll just weld these on.
Okay. How do I make these? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that one. Alright. Wait, nope, that's too big a wheel. I need smaller wheel. Perfect. Tiny wheel. Mini wheel. Okay, that going that way. Okay. That.
So everybody,
This.
we're using this track right here.
4. Alrighty. That looks so far pretty good. What did I just hear?
Oh, that was me showing the audience the track we're racing on.
Ah, gotcha. Alright. I should be done very soon.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Well, to keep people who are into artillery entertained, I'm gonna go fire some artillery.
Nice. Okie dokie. Welding. Let's see. Weld. Yes. Alright, weld that. Weld this. And. It's all spinning in the same direction. Alright, now we need let's see. Seat. Now we weld that on. Slap it right in there. Uh-oh.
No!
What just happened?
I'm an idiot, that's what happens.
Oh no. Alrighty.
Well, that's a problem.
Let's see. Hopefully this works. I'm not gonna test it.
Are these still welded? No, they're not.
Alrighty.
Yeah, so I may or may not have thrown a gas canister, which blew up my car.
Ah, I see. Car, stop moving. 3, 4.
So I'm
Alrighty.
gonna speed run this again.
Alrighty. Oh god, my car barely works. How is it even attached to the... Okay. I'm gonna need to show you something funny. Stop moving. No, wait. Oh. Come on. Okay. Oh.
It'd be terrible if I was
Uh-oh.
subtitling this.
Alright. Alright. I'm gonna let that run into a wall. Then it will finally stop moving. Nope. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna do that.
That one.
At
Okay.
3, 4 wheels.
Alright, I'm about to be ready.
Alrighty, let's see.
My car was gonna look good, but I kind of blew it up.
My car's wheels, I'm pretty sure they're not attached. So I guess we're in the same boat here. Also, it just starts moving for no reason, so I just gotta...
Same with mine. Alright, I'm about to open my garage.
Alrighty. Here comes mine. It's schmovin'. Oh. Oh, you really went for the wheels there.
Yeah, I
See?
the wheels.
Yeah, but look at the...
That is...
Alright, good.
Oh,
Alrighty.
okay, I'll go in this lane since I don't want to be near you with your jiggly wheels.
Okay. Oh, it's not... Oh, wait, never mind, it's moving. Okay, I've gotta... Alright, as soon as it... Alright. Nope. Stop moving. Stop moving. Nope, there. Nope. There.
Alright.
There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna press the button.
Oh, wait. No, I'm not ready. Alright. I'm ready.
Okay. Here we go.
Uh,
Pretty sure my car doesn't drive straight, but we got this. Oh my god, you are fast.
I'm moving. Uh-oh.
I'm
Wait. Backwards time. Uh-oh.
just grinding against the wall.
Uh, uh, uh,
Hey neighbor.
Come on. Get up. Up. Rotate. Get back in.
I'm just grinding against the wall right now.
Alright. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go.
Not over
I'm
until
going.
we get
I'm
to the
schmoving. Here we go.
No.
I'm catching up. No. Alright. Backwards. Backwards we go. Backwards we go. Forwards. Forwards we go. Forwards we go. On the wall. Here we
I'm
go.
gonna win.
No.
I'm going all the way.
No. I'm almost there. Don't even. If you look back.
I'm going all the way.
Look.
No.
Oh my god. I'm.
Oh. No.
Come on. Come on. I'm almost there. I can beat him. I can beat him.
No.
Yes! Yes!
No.
Yes!
No way.
I did it!
No way you did that.
How?
You
I'm-
came back. Oh my god. I cannot believe that you just did that.
I can't believe that either. How did the good old
We
backwards
should
and
drive
forwards?
each other's cars.
Oh yeah. Good luck. It's
Oh.
don't worry, the wheels fix itself eventually. As soon as you put it down, I think. Oh. Oh, one wheel is trapped on. Alright. There we go. Fixed it.
Oh.
Oh,
Wait,
it's
you
because
fixed-
it's attached
You fix your car. It's very.
by shaking it.
Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll drive it. Oh wait. I forgot.
One of your wheels came off and the car hit me in the head. Oh,
Okay,
also it's buttons 1 and 2.
We should probably just move to the next segment.
You probably best. Alrighty. Thruster time.
And we
I
can't
already know what I'm
use
gonna do.
the same car.
I already know what I'm going to do.
I don't
I
think
think you also-
reuse that car anyways, but
No, I'm not gonna reuse that car. That car was bad, but it was also good, but it was bad.
alright. So
Okay.
quick recap for people that do not remember what this round is about. You can
For goldfish brain people.
yes. We still have to build our own cars, but you can add thrusters.
I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
Alright, I'm gonna do this.
Alright, how fast does this go?
Oh,
Yep, that's good. That's
What was that?
fast. I can use this.
that didn't. That scared me.
You should be scared. I'm going to create the most powerful thing I'm going to create something. That is all the context you will get. Alrighty.
That's very helpful.
I should probably also just have like regular. Where?
You have no idea the madness that's gonna happen.
Touche. Let's see. Yeah, how about one of these? Oh, never mind, that's small. Okay, how about that? No, so small.
I'm gonna win.
Alright, this one's gonna be a very simple one.
Yeah, I think the problem with your last one? Actually, how would you get that to go so fast? That's my question.
Well, I put the speed all the way up to 10,000.
The speed.
Yeah, speed. It's in the wheel settings.
Oh, torque limit. Or force limit. And then there's torque.
2.
Did you have your force limit at like 0 or something?
Nah, oh yeah, force limit at 0.
Okay, that would make sense why you were zooming.
I was moving.
You was moving.
Okay. I'm gonna go with the same wheels as last time, because those are cool. Those are some nice wheels. There we go. And let's see. Tool gun. This is going to be a simple car, but it is going to be very, very... This may go bad. I will give you that much context.
This may go bad.
Alright, let's test which direction it goes. Oh, right. It goes in a circle. One moment. Let's see. I've got a E.
Markiplier E.
There we go. Now it's going forwards and backwards. That is what we want. But first... Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, wait. No, that one...
Perfect.
I know exactly what I need to do. And it is going to be amazing.
Yes.
There. And... Let's see. And... There we go. If I just attach this to the front...
Why?
Did I... Okay, I'm...
Threw me against the wall.
Sorry about that. I have a plan. It might work, but there's also the off chance that I might explode.
Okay, I might actually move my creation away from yours, considering
Might be good.
it just exploded.
Alright, let's see. I should probably go for... Yeah, this one. Let's see. How fast does this go?
No. No.
No. Okay. I think I'm thinking of this one. Yeah, that's the one I'm thinking of. That's fast. And I think that should be good. That's actually faster than the other one. So if I put this in front here... Just...
Yep, this wheel seems good.
Alrighty. Tool gun. Now, if I can attach this to here. There we go. One moment, I'm gonna be right back. I need to think some things. Very thunk. Yes.
Okay.
Very think-thunkly. I'm going to use big brain math skills to figure out how this is going to work.
Oh. I'll just... That shouldn't matter too much. I like where this is going. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's what we like to see. This is going to be very fast. Let's go ahead and... Yeah, let's add couple of metal
Alright.
plates.
Now that I've done my thunking, time to actually test. I'm gonna do like a short, little, tiny test. First. No, I don't. Okay, physics gun. Do that. Did I attach this? I did not. Okay, let's just bring this back. Oh, yeah, that accidentally came off. Alrighty. Okay. I forgot to weld that. Alrighty. Okay, there's the thing that I want. Grab it.
Concentration 1000 is happening over here.
Okay. Let's see. Be very careful, for you are handling an explosive. Don't bump it the wrong way. Alright.
How big is the
There.
explosive, may I ask?
Oh, it's actually quite small, but I gotta figure out if it's gonna be able to propel it.
Okay then.
One, two. There we go. Alrighty. There we go. Test. Oh wait, that's the wrong.
Oh, I think I might be almost done. Ooh. I think I might almost
Let's
be
see.
done.
If I press E on here, and I look down. Okay, no.
Just gotta add a seat.
Okay. I might be able to use that as a booster.
That's funny.
Maybe. I'm getting closer. It's innovation, lads.
Your development is...
Okay, question. Did that oh good, my cart's still together.
Did what?
Let's see.
I mean,
Alright, let's
it was a pretty small explosive, so it wasn't that bad.
yeah, let's see. Which one's the RP3?
Add some
How fast is this one again? Are you on fire?
That scared me.
Okay, let's see. I think I figured out that I need to use the I think I should probably stick with just the Hydra one. Let's see. Alrighty. Hydra 70. Let's see. Go around. Attach this to the back. Otherwise, going to hit something and I'm going to explode. Yeah, let's shove it in. Alright, let's see. No? Okay, come on. There we go. Alrighty. Tool gun. 2, 3, 4. There. Okay. This should work. And just in case, maybe I should actually put maybe just in case it does just decide to.
That's too big.
Oh, maybe. Ooh. Yes. Oh yeah, put that on the back of there. Perfect.
Number 10.
Alrighty, I'm all done.
I'm almost done. I just gotta do one decorative thing that really...
Alrighty. Right, can you color these? Let's see. Alright.
Perfect.
Let's see. It's got up. Okay, I've got to make sure not to get the back to touch anything, because otherwise it will explode. Okay, now far up is this? Where's the Actually.
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright. I'm ready. You made another long one. I see.
Yeah.
Do you see the missile in the back?
Oh no. No!
Oh. Okay, one moment. I'm gonna need to reattach that missile. I'll be right back. And I think you might need to get back. I see. Alright, good. I should
At
probably...
least mine didn't die.
Yeah. It's a very small one, so it doesn't really...
Big
Alright, tool gun.
I don't like how much
Well...
mine clanks when I try to move it with my physics.
Alright. This may kill me.
Okay.
That is a fact.
Okay, I'm just gonna watch this.
2, 3. There we go. Physic gun. There we go. Alrighty.
Good thumbnail for the video.
Alrighty. Uh-oh. It's moving.
Yeah, you can just freeze it for a second.
There we go.
All
It
right.
really it's schmovin'. You can see the wheels schmovin'.
Yeah.
Alright.
Stop the wheels if you wanted to.
Oh.
It
Alright.
just wants to move though.
It just wants to schmoove. It's
Oh. Oh.
Prepare yourself.
Alright.
Prepare yourself for the schmoovin'. Alrighty. Wait. One moment, let me just stop the wheels so we don't have... There we go. 1, 2.
Your wheels just want to move.
Yeah.
If you want, you can just press up against the barrier that comes up.
Alrighty, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna press the button.
Press the button.
Alright. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Ah! Stuck in the ground.
Uh-oh. Oh no! Where am I? I'm schmoovin'.
No. Here we go. We're going all the way.
I don't know where I am. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going places.
Oh.
Where am I?
I must reset my vehicle.
I'm flying.
No.
I have the cheap lifter. Where am I?
Okay.
I've exited the
going
area.
again.
I've gone across the map. I need to go back. Where?
I'm in the ground. But we're going.
Okay, I went the wrong way, but... I'm just...
We're going.
Alright. I think I was right here. Ish. Alright.
I won.
Okay.
Being in the ground more than half of the time, actually.
Come on.
Alright.
I'm trying my best here.
He's trying his best. There you go.
I'm just moving.
Alright, so the score is currently 1-1. Oh my god, he's Rocket Man. He is Rocket
Oh, yeah.
Man. And he's gone.
Yeah, yeah, there's no way that I could have piloted that.
Alright, so it's
Wonder
1-1 score right now. It all comes down to the third and final round. Did you not delete your it disappeared before my eyes.
Yeah, I removed the old car just now. Alrighty. Missile was a good idea though. It actually boosted me. I'm going to do more of that.
Once we started, I just never saw you again.
Yeah. Okay, but I did see you like a little bit because I crashed into you like around there, and then I flew off somewhere else.
My car was in the ground so much of the time.
Ah, I see.
Alright.
Would you like to take a look at my area before you?
Oh wow, your area is
Yeah, it's got a bit of a good old explosion.
yeah. So we're moving on to segment 3, so anything goes. I know what I'm doing.
I
Uh,
What's this? I found out what that is.
I see this.
Is it in your area as well?
Is what in my area? Oh my god, what is that?
Yeah, yeah, that. Thanks. I don't think I would have been able to get back in. Alright. What's this? What's this? This is a fun chair. I like it. Anyways. I'm just gonna back up before I take a look at what all these are. This looks fun.
You will most definitely lose.
Yeah, probably. Well, alright. I'm just gonna grab a regular vehicle, like
Yeah.
maybe this one.
Never
Never mind, that is untextured and I do not like it. That is also untextured and I do not like it. Let's see. Entities. Vehicle, other. No.
Did
Wait. What about this? Is this the... Oh. I like this one. I think I'm gonna build off of this. Alrighty. This can actually steer, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Not only is it gonna have that, but it's also gonna have wheels, and missiles, and thrusters. There we go. Alrighty. Where are the wheels? There are the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels here, and... Wait, actually I could fit 10 wheels on this. 2, 3... 2... 4... 5... Yeah, I could definitely... Well, maybe more like 7-ish wheels. Okay. Never mind. Just... No, yeah, just 10.
Okay.
Okay, I'm almost done. I just gotta make sure that these are all going the right way. And then also attach maybe a missile to the back of it. Or the front of it, depending on whichever one won't blow me up. What was that?
The sound of progress.
I see. Alrighty.
You
Let's
know
see.
what this is the sound of?
And his name is John Cena!
Sound of John Cena.
Indeed. That is the sound of John Cena.
Yes, it is. Alrighty. I think. Let's see. Alright, these are the ones that need to be turned around. Alrighty. Let's test, see which direction it goes. Oh dear god, that goes fast.
But will it
That could kill a man. Okay.
I doubt. I legitimately doubt it'll be fast enough to outrun mine. If it does, I will be impressed.
Alright, where are the entities? Missiles. Ah, here. Grilled witches stuff. Let's see. This will do. This towards me. Lower it. Okay, maybe actually put that slightly upwards so I don't go into a path directly headed to the ground. There we go. And then... Alright, thrusters... Nope, I need welding. I need several welds, probably, to make sure that this doesn't fly off. There we go. That looks good. Oh, yeah, maybe actually... That's a bit too heavy for that. What's another one that's... And
his name is John Cena!
No, actually.
I'm a firing my laser!
Oh! Hey, yeah, this one could definitely work. There we go. And that. There we go. Now, weld. And I'm done.
Okay. I'll open my garage door.
See. Alright. This is not its maximum speed, I assure you.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm very sure. I am not pressing the one button, and I don't have my missile activated.
Okay.
You're going to see how fast this goes in, like, very soon.
Okay. You ready?
Should I really use this missile?
That's
Yes.
your call.
Yes, I am. Alrighty, I'm ready. Let me just bring this more up to the... Alright.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
I truly do not believe that you're doing this.
Alrighty. Well, I also just do it without this. Well, as you can see, that's going great.
Yeah.
Where'd my thing go? Gotta find it, gotta find it, gotta find it, gotta find it, gotta find it.
Here, I'll
Did you
go
see how
back to the
fast?
start. Chance.
Yay! Alrighty. Maybe I shouldn't use the missile. Maybe. Just maybe. The missile was a bad idea. Alright, let me just make that.
I'm interested to see how fast it is without the missile. It's very cool looking, I will say that.
Yeah. Alright, press the button. No. Right, backwards, forward. I need more health.
Or are you about to die?
Fool!
You're going to space.
Go for one of the classic blunders! I'm going to win! What? Did I win?
I don't think so. I won twice. Oh.
Look how fast this goes.
That does go very fast. I was surprised at first.
I'm at 5 health. How did I not die? There I
My
go.
car.
Yeah. Grab my car and see and take a look at how fast it moves. Wherever it is.
There's two of the F1 cars at the end of the thing.
Alrighty. Let's see.
I think I see your car. Alright, I forgot your car floats.
It does? Oh, nice.
Because, it's...
What's this? Oh. That's what the anti-gravity balls does.
Ah! It's a submarine!
Yeah, it do that. Also, I just pressed the 1 button. That's literally how... Oh, this goes fast.
Press shift.
Shift. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. I see. Yeah. I may have caught it on fire. I don't know how to fix it, but it's on fire now.
Alright, so this is where we're gonna wrap up the video. Yeah. So this was
Car doesn't
GMOD
move.
Races with, I don't know where he is right now, but Kronos 001. Come back
Uh-oh.
for